Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the alternator on a Lexus ES 350. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical hazards. Gather essential tools like a ratchet, various sockets, and a serpentine belt tool. Always ensure the engine is completely cool before beginning any work to avoid burns. This preparation ensures a safe and efficient repair process. Next, you will need to access the alternator by removing obstructing components. Begin by taking off the engine cover and any air intake parts. Then, use your serpentine belt tool to loosen the tensioner and carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Finally, disconnect the two electrical connectors and the main power cable attached to the alternator. This clears the path for removal. Now, it is time to remove the old alternator and install the new one. Locate and unbolt the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that secure the alternator in place. Carefully maneuver and remove the old unit from its position. Then, gently place the new alternator into the mounting bracket and secure it tightly with the bolts. Reconnect the main power cable and the 2 electrical connectors. Finally, reassemble your vehicle and test the new alternator. Carefully reinstall the serpentine belt, ensuring it is correctly routed over all pulleys. Reattach any air intake components and the engine cover that you removed earlier. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start the engine and check your dashboard for any warning lights, confirming the new alternator is functioning properly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.